Hey guys, once again welcome back to Imani SL YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it right now and press that bell button to get new updates and stay tuned with me. So guys, as you can see the screen guys, you can see that I'm going to show you how to create a Faucet Pay account in a very simple way. Just a few minutes is required guys just to prepare a Faucet Pay account. This is same like Coinbase account guys, since you want to have a wallet, a proper wallet where you can start mining Litecoin and Ethereum. So this Faucet Pay is having various kind of ways that you can earn money. I mean, you can earn cryptocurrencies. Plus, there are a way of you can trade your cryptocurrencies, what you are mining and what you are storing in this Faucet Pay account. So guys, there are many ways of earn and many ways of trading as well. So I will be showing you how to create an account today, and once this account is created guys, I will bring you some cool websites where you can mine Litecoin, and where you can trade Litecoin, and where you can mine Bitcoins, Ethereum. So all these things guys, whenever you store in this wallet, this is a very safety wallet. So so guys, yes, without taking much time guys, we will go and we will do a sign up right now. So guys, for the link, I have put this link in my description, so you can just go to the description and get the link to go to this website, so it will be very easy for you. So the once again, the website name called is Faucet Pay. This is a cryptocurrency wallet. This is a very very popular wallet at the moment. So guys, as you can see here, I am in this website, so you can see this sign up button. So just click the sign up button, and you can see a very small form which you just want to provide the simple detail of yours. So you have to create your username, your own username, and give your correct email address, because this will be very important to you. You give a email address which you regularly use, and here you have to give the password, and here also you have to give the password. Just repeat the password guys, and just accept the terms and conditions, and you just have to click this captcha over here and just press sign up. So guys, since I'm having an account right now with this Faucet Pay, so this is the way that you just want to create your account. So I will show you once you sign in how the account shows. So I will log into my account and I'll just show you. So guys, this is the account and this is the dashboard of that. See guys, there are many cryptocurrencies where you can store it. So this is this Faucet Pay supporting Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoins, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, and Digibyte. So guys, you like the way how it works guys, I will show in the next video. Mainly why I wanted to create a Faucet Pay account and show you guys that if you all don't have a Faucet Pay account right now, please create this account and keep with you, because I'm going to bring you some cool video tomorrow how to mine Litecoin, and a way that you can withdraw the Litecoins instantly. You earn some Litecoins and you can withdraw whatever you earn at the same time. This website I will show you all tomorrow in another video. You can do instant withdrawals guys, and you just need to click ads and watch that ad for just 2-3 seconds, then you will be credited with Litecoins. So guys, stay tuned and please subscribe my channel if you haven't done it yet, and stay tuned again guys. I'm telling you, tomorrow you will get a cool website and you can see how to withdraw these Litecoins to your Faucet Pay account. So once all these are done guys, I will bring another video for you guys to show how you can trade your Bitcoins or Ethereum, whatever the cryptocurrencies you have earned in this Faucet Pay, and I will show you how to earn cryptocurrencies from Faucet Pay as well. So they have many options which you can select. So guys, stay tuned with me. I will show you how to do this mining of these cryptocurrencies. So guys, I'll go for today and I'll come back to you with a cool videos. So guys, then until that, see you and take care guys.